Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you're doing good. Welcome back to another episode. Now, today we're gonna see how we enter our data into our Microsoft Excel, and we're gonna practice what is called data entry in our Excel sheet. Okay. Once again, I thank you all for liking, sharing. Keep that spirit up, but always check on our YouTube. There is more tutorials there. Just go there, watch them, like, comment, and let's be active. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel wherever you're watching from. Thank you. Let's dig into our Excel and we see what is data entry, or how do we enter our data in the Microsoft Excel. Now, first thing first, data entry in Microsoft Excel can be done either manually by typing directly into cells, or by using a built-in automated data entry form, okay, so that you can speed up the process in case you using a large amount of data, sort of that, to speed up the process. Okay, now we shall look on both how we enter it manually and how do we use the forms, and what is the shortcut. Okay, but first thing first, let's first see how we enter manually into our Excel sheet. Okay, now I have my data here. As you can see, I have my forms here. I copied this from the some of the data I use, so that I bring it here, we learn together. Okay, now this is now my form. It's in the table, as you can see. Okay, it has filter something. It's in the table. It's well organized. It's clean. Only we're going to see how we enter manually and how to use forms. Okay, now if you want to enter data manually, you have to, first thing first, you have to click one cell at the end of your table. After clicking it, you double click it again to make it active, then you start typing. Okay, let's say let's try to type manually, or entering data manually. This is how you enter your data manually. You click the cell, you double click it to make it active. Okay, then you start entering manually. Okay, let's say this is we have our order ID here. See, 3456. Customer ID, let's say it's CUST 4560. Order date first of first 2024. Okay, which region? Let's say East. You press enter. Product category, let's say sports. Press enter. Customer segment, let's say consumer. You press enter. Quantity, let's give it 5. Enter. Unit price, let's say it's 540. Discount we shall give on 0.05. Shall follow the ring there. Then revenue, we can say it's 4527. You press enter, but these are calculated field. But anyway, we're just learning how to enter our data manually. We entering normally like this. Have the cost, let's say it's 450. Press enter. The profit, maybe we got 400 profit. Then the payment method, you paid using let's say debit card. Okay, Now you notice here in my date I did a mistake. Now how to edit this? How to edit this? You come on the cell where you made mistake. Either you come here in the formula bar, or you double click here, then you press, or you click the cell you want to edit, you come in the formula bar, you edit it from there. 2020, it was 2024. Okay, then you press enter, then it comes automatically. What happens? Let's go back, control D. Sorry, no. Let's go back. I show you something here. What happens when you don't double click here, and if you don't edit it in the formula bar? Let's say I made a mistake here. You just click on the cell you want to correct it, then you enter here, press enter, new value will come. Okay, you have to double click here so that the cell is active, or else you click here, you come in the formula bar, you edit it from there. 2024. Okay guys, that's how you enter your data manually. Okay, now let's see how to use the automated field of forms within the Excel. Now you can either the shortcut, you click inside your table, any cell, you press Alt DO or DO, then the form will come. This is the form. But maybe you don't want to use that shortcut, or you don't know it. You just want to put the form onto here on the ribbon menu so that you can automatically click it, then it comes. Okay, but the shortcut, you click anywhere in your table, Alt D O. Okay, then the form will enter. You see, data entry form. Then you start entering your data. But let's put our form on the ribbon menu so that it has a quick access. You come here, you see this arrow in the ribbon menu, the up one, this one here, it's called customize quick access toolbox. You click it, you come all the way down, you press more commands, you come here in commands, choose commands from, you click this at the end of this, you select here, you select all commands. Okay, it will reflect here, just a moment, press all commands. You see, it has reflected all commands. Now you come here in all commands, you look for forms. Okay, click here, you drag till F, because forms start with F, so you have to look in F. You come here, you look for form. Yeah, form is here. You click it like this, you press here, add. After adding it here, then you press OK. Now you see it came on our quick access bar. You just click inside your box or inside your table, you click the form here, then this data will come. Okay, now this data which is inside is the first row. It's the first row, the data for the first row. You see here we have 1/16. We have 16 rows, but this is the first one, 1/16. Okay, if you want to edit it, you can edit it here also. The first row, maybe you did some mistake, you can edit here, quick one. Or if you entering a new one, you entering the 7 one, the 17, you press new. Okay, new record. Then you come here, order ID, let's say it's 24. Now what happens next? if you want to fill these other categories, okay, you want to fill the customer ID, you want to fill, you don't press enter, because if you press enter, it will automatically enter, the data will enter here. You don't press enter, you see this one is blank, this one is blank, you did not fill it. How you do that? Okay, how you do that is click this, you press your form again, you press new, you want to put new new segment or new column, new row, you want to put new row, you press new, you come here, order ID 243, then you press tab to go down. Okay, customer ID, let's say CUST346. Okay, you press tab again to go down, to enter another category. Okay, order date first of 2024, you press tab again, then the region, let's say it's north region, tab again, product category, let's say it's clothing. Okay, clothing, it's clothing, you press tab again, customer segment is a consumer, home office, let's say it's here, home office, press tab again, quantity, let's say 35, tab again, unit price, I want to copy the same data, somehow looks the same, let's say 35.7, press tab again, discount range 0.05, press tab again, revenue, let's say 5467, tab again, cost, how much did it cost, each price, each unit, let's say 256, tab again, profit, maybe you go 200, profit on this product, payment method, let's say UPI. After entering your data like this, you see it, after entering your data like this, then you press enter. You see it has, our data is now on or in our table. That's how you use the automated forms in the Excel. Easy, and it is the fastest method to use in case you're dealing with large amount of data. Okay, now you see our data, our D0, you see we have 1/17. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. That's how we enter our data manually and using automated filled forms within the Excel. Yep, follow for more, guys. Thank you for watching, thank you for liking, follow for more tutorials coming soon. Slowly by slowly we're gonna learn from beginners level to advanced. Make sure you check out on our YouTube channels, many tutorials there. Thank you, and see you in another episode. Thank you, guys.